So, good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure being here. Now, before diving into the innovations in the active packaging, let's first understand what is active packaging. The active packaging is a smart packaging solution that enhances the shelf life of your product if used in a correct scientific manner. Now, as we work in pharmaceutical industry, when we develop a product, there may be certain issues that might face. Those issues may be the oxidation, the mold and the fungus generation, the malodor issue, or the color and the texture change. Now, behind these issues, there are two main root causes. First, the moisture, and second, the oxygen. Silicon, being an active packaging innovator and manufacturer, we do have solutions regarding these issues available at our end. But today, let's talk about certain concerns and the solutions available at silicon which are patented. The first major issue that we face with the soft and the hard gelatin capsules is the over-desiccation and the over-moistureness. Now, for this issue, our conventional active packaging solutions such as silica gel, molecular sieve might not work. Now, to overcome this issue, we have developed a product, AccuFlip. AccuFlip is an ERH regulator, that is the equilibrium relative humidity regulator. It maintains the RH, that is the relative humidity, into a specific range in a sealed packaging environment. On your right hand side, you can see there is a hygrometer. The orange region shows the dry condition and the blue region shows the moisture condition. Between those areas, the green region shows in which the product is being stable. Now that's exactly where AccuFlip steps in. It maintains the RH of the product into a specific range throughout its shelf life. Thus, this eliminates the risk of the over-desiccation, that is the brittleness of the capsules, and the over-moistureness. Moving on, I would like to bring your attention to the another major issue, that is the black spots, that is the dusting issue on the tablets. This issue happens when we use the activated carbon inside the canister. Now, the activated carbon is used when the product is facing issue of malodor. Now, this contributes to major customer queries or market complaints. Now, to understand this and to overcome this issue, we developed a product that is the Frexel canister series. The Frexel of two types. First, the type C, that is absorbing the odor. Second is type Y, that is doing the dual function, also absorbing the odor as well as the moisture. Now, what we have done is, we have taken the activated carbon, compressed it and compacted in a tablet form. And we have filled those tablets inside the canister. So, this eliminates the risk of black spotting in the tablets as well. Now, moving on, what happens if we use a desiccant and an oxygen together? So, as I talked earlier, that the issues that might happen with the product, that is the oxidation or the change in the texture or the color of the product, there are two main root causes. First, the moisture. Second, the oxygen. Now, over the period of time, we have observed that some products are sensitive to both, that is oxygen as well as the moisture. Now, the conventional solutions available in the market, that is the oxygen absorber, when was used with the desiccant in the same packaging bottle, it required a little amount of moisture to get activated. Now, this contributed to product performance delay. Now, to overcome this, we developed a product by understanding the issue, the Oxabide OVC. The Oxabide OVC is a self-activator and the self-activated oxygen absorber. So, when it is kept with the moisture absorber, that is the desiccant, in the same packaging bottle, they work seamlessly together. They does not hamper the activity of each other. So, it reduces the oxygen up to 0.1% inside the sealed packaging environment. Thus, this inhibits the growth of aerobic microorganisms inside the packaging. Now, moving towards the most important part. So, as a part of sustainability, I'm proud to announce the laser printed canister by Silicon. So, here is the video. Now, the question is, why choose laser printed canister? First, it gives more cleaner look, more aesthetic look. Second, more customization is available. That is, if you require any language that you might require to get printed on the laser printed canister, can be done. And if you also require the do not eat sign on the canister, it can be also done. There is no adhesives and ink involved in this. So, by adopting this technology, we eliminate the risk of the label peeling off from the canister as well. Now, as I've discussed certain issues and the solutions available at Silicon, now let me show you where these products are made and how this facility works. So, here is the short company video. So, by choosing right active packaging at right time, you can give lifeline to your products. Thank you very much.